We are starting with perimeter of any shape, and we'll be going with area, and then we'll discuss further more in advanced perimeter, area, and then volume too. Okay. So some of the stuffs you may have been familiar with, but I want it to be revised so that we can discuss the concept from the scratch. Okay. So let's begin. So let us start with real life problems, application based stuff. When your family puts up a new fence around your home, how will they know how much fencing they need? So that will cover
Perimeter.
perimeter. Yes, correct. And that's what you already know because last time you also were trying to get correct answers in that way. So this
Yeah.
is what we see as perimeter, like the boundaries, right? The length of boundary is called perimeter. So the perimeter of a figure is the distance all the way around the figure. You may note it down. What is perimeter? The perimeter of a figure is the distance all the way around the figure.
Mhm.
Or in another word, we can also call it like this is nothing but this is the length of boundary, the total length of boundary, right? All
Mhm.
like this we see
The outside
nine,
part.
yeah, outside part, the external, this line that is marked with pink border. Yep.
Mm,
Okay. So have you noted this definition? Perimeter, if for knowledge, you may refer to this.
yeah.
So perimeter of a figure is the distance all the way around the figure. Or in our own words, we can say like the perimeter is the total length of the boundary of any shape. Let it be rectangle or be square or let it be triangle or any kind of shape, like having any sides, any number of sides. So let's move further. So how we calculate perimeter? We have this shape. You already know this, I guess, right? So we are making the sum total of the length of each side. So when we are adding the length of each side, the complete boundary 5 plus 9 plus 5 plus 9. So here we find the perimeter, right? So the perimeter is found by adding the lengths of sides together, all of the sides, right?
I
So
thought the
that's,
answer.
yeah,
I thought for the rectangle perimeter, it's
2L
length.
into 2,
Yeah, two L
the,
in two
sorry,
bracket
plus, yeah,
two brackets L plus W.
that's correct. That's true. Let me show you how. As
So
I told you, this is, yeah, this is
five
complete.
plus nine is 14, and then 14 times two is 24. I mean 28. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, this is from very basic. So what you're telling is that comes out of the observation. Like in this, you may observe the same thing, right? Like you told. So when you are making like 5 plus 9 is equal to 14, and 14 times 2, 2 times 14 is equal to 28, right? Did you
Mhm.
understand that? Yeah. So that observation goes to the formula, right? We'll be talking about it in coming slides.
Yeah.
So let's move. Now find the parameter of the figures. So each figure we see, okay? So that formula you applied to rectangle, but this is something, the concept which I introduced in front of you can be applied to any shape, no matter how many sides it is having, right? So this shape, like first shape is square. You may already know what is the parameter of a square. That is 4 into
Yep.
4
And
into.
four into side.
Yes, correct. Or what is the concept I told? Add.
Just add one of the sides up. Yeah.
Correct. Right. Very good. And the second thing now you may see like this triangle. So same would go with this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Same would go with this, like in this shape, third shape, one, two, three, four. Four
Yeah,
sides
so
are there.
let's just add them up. Yeah, easy.
Exactly. Same would go with this, one, two, three, four, five, six sides.
Yep, yep.
Great. So perimeter of a square. Now what you were trying to tell me that time. So this is here. A square. A square is a figure with four equal sides, right? So the perimeter can be found by adding all four sides together. So that's what brings us to the formula 4 into sides. Parameter of a square is 4 into side. That's what you already know. So we'll move forward quickly, right?
Yeah.
So now find the parameter of the squares using the formula 4 into sides. So here are the things. You already know this as well. Shall we move forward? Any doubt in
Yes,
this?
yes.
Okay.
No,
No
no.
doubt. Yes. Okay. Then parameter of rectangle. So you already told me the formula that is 2w plus 2l, and it can also be taken as common. So it would become what? As you told me that time, it would be like 2 would come outside, right? Like, can you tell me again what would it become?
So 2 in
Yeah,
brackets L plus W.
or w plus l, both are okay, right?
Yeah.
Either I can write is this, there is no issue with that, right? Is that okay? Yes, right. Is that okay, Prisha?
Yeah.
Okay. So here we are having different rectangles, so it is easy to find. So here 12 and 3 we are having 12, 3, 15, 15 and multiplied by
Yeah.
2 that would be 30. So easy to find all the things, right? Okay. Now comes area. Okay. Now you have to understand this. If your parents want to put new carpet in your room, how will they know how much carpet to buy? So
Yep.
there comes area in existence, right? Okay. So this follows a simple structure that is called square unit, right? Because whenever we find area, we write the unit in square.
Yes.
It is not centimeter, it is not meter, it is meter square or centimeter square. Great.
We can you say that again. 45
45 square meter. 45 like
square.
meter, yeah. Any unit, no matter what unit we
Oh,
are
because
using.
I call it 45 centimeter square.
Huh, that's great. 45 centimeter square. But if it is in meter, then it would be 45 meter square. If it is in kilometer, then it would be 45 kilometer square. Unit may change.
Yeah, but how are you supposed to know that like which one goes first, the unit or the square?
Say again, what is the question?
So how are you supposed to know if the centimeter goes first, or I mean the unit goes first, or the square goes first?
Oh, okay. Th there shouldn't be any doubt. Listen to me. So you are saying this. For example, I'm writing this. This is called meter square,
Yes.
and there are two names. Like we can read it like meter square
Yeah.
either this way, or some people read it this way. Both are same.
Oh, okay.
Square meter.
Yep.
You got my point?
But how are they going to be written like are they going to be written out like that?
This only.
It's not going to write 2 meter.
No, that is wrong.
Yeah. Okay.
This is wrong. Okay, because
Hmm.
the square that is exponential power. Got it?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
So the area of a figure is the number of square units that cover the surface of the closed figure. So a square unit, do you see like this? This is the square unit. This area, this is being covered. Do you see this? This is one square unit. The area which I'm filling with red. color. So this is 1 square unit. So likewise, we have many square units to be fitted in a shape, right? Let's say, like the same example we have taken. In the room, we have to use carpet, and we have to measure the length or the complete surface of that carpet, which may fit the room size, right? So that will be taken by finding area of that carpet, the total surface it will cover. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So we have understood the area of a figure is the number of square units that cover the surface of the closed figure. You may write this definition if you want, or you may take a screenshot as well.
Yeah, I took a
Whatever.
screenshot.
Okay. Then comes area. A square unit is like we are talking about area, the same thing. A square unit is a unit that has 4 equal sides. So this is the property. We already know the shape of a square, so that is here, that has all sides equal, because you told the parameter what was supposed to be the same, like 4 into sides, because each side was equal, right? So we already know that a square unit is a unit that has 4 equal sides. So when we are talking about 1 centimeter square, or perhaps you may read like 1 square centimeter, both are okay. Okay,
Yeah.
so 1 centimeter square, or we may call 1 square inch, or inch square, right? So they all may have a unit. A unit means one as unit. Either it is 1 centimeter square, 1 meter square, 1 inch square, 1 kilometer square, right? But the exponent square is required. I hope you are getting it, right?
No.
No? Okay. That's the same as I told it earlier. So here we see 1 centimeter and we see this power 2,
Uh-huh.
right? I was just telling it that this is required. You can never write the area of anything like 1 centimeter, five
Yes.
centimeter. This is always wrong.
That's just
When,
for.
yeah, that is 1 centimeter square, 5 centimeter square. That's what I was telling you. Now, did you get my point?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. So whenever you are finding the area of any shape, no matter that is triangle, rectangle, square, or let's say circle, whatever it is, you
Yeah.
need to write the area always in square. Okay. And this is 1 unit. This is 1 unit. Why we call it 1 unit? Because this is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Everything starts with one, right? Because we know natural number starts with one itself, right?
Yep.
Counting starts with one. So this is the smallest unit. Okay. So for metric units, we say units squared, or unit square. We were reading that, or we can also call it units squared. 5 centimeters squared, right? Or perhaps we read 5 centimeters square. No problem. So example, centimeters squared, or this is the written way, centimeter and then exponent of 2. Okay, that's what we have understood so far. So for US customary, we say square units. That's what I was telling you earlier, right? This is units square. Generally, it is spoken in UK, but in American English, it is said square units. So some may call it square unit, like square centimeter, or some may call it centimeter square. Like you prefer centimeter square because you are in UK, right?
Hmm.
Okay. So square inches, or square inch in short, or inch square, no problem. I hope now both things are clear to you, right? Two different names, but it is referring to the same thing. Either you call it centimeter square or square centimeter. Yeah.
Yep.
Now, The area of a figure is found by finding how many square units it takes to cover its surface. So now I earlier in earlier slides I told you like what is a square unit which has one as a unit. One is the smallest natural number, right?
Yep.
Yes. So all this like if I talk about this complete square, let's say this one, I'm just asking you firstly. So let's say this is the complete this one. What would be the length of each side? Can you tell me the parameter? This would be one, right? This would be one. This would be one. This would be one.
The perimeter of this.
Yeah, only this.
The
This one.
perimeter. Yeah. The
Yeah.
perimeter would be 18
Wh-
centimeters
Why 18? Why?
because the top is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares, and then the bottom line is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 plus 5 is 9, and then on the other side, 4 plus 5 is also 9. So 9 plus 9 is 18.
Are you telling me parameter of this big
Yes, yes.
rectangle? Oh, okay. I was asking about this a small one which I picked.
Oh, 1.
Parameter I'm asking.
Oh, the perimeter of that is
Okay. What is the parameter of this? This one. This.
1. The perimeter
Yeah. This shape.
4.
Yeah, that's easy. 4 centimeter, not a square because this is parameter, right?
Yeah.
So, okay. Once again, I'm just telling you. Look at me. I can't see your face. Yeah. So understand the stuff. What I'm telling you is that whenever we are talking about a square unit, what is a square unit? Understand that first. A square unit is one unit squared. One unit squared, either that is centimeter, meter, or what. Smallest unit is what? One. Are you getting my point? So this the shape we call it square is one unit. Either it is centimeter unit, meter unit, inch unit, or whatever. Are you getting my point? So
Yeah.
now, coming slide. So there are many squares we see, like small squares in this. So this is this one which I highlighted area, this one, the first area. This is one square. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And if I go further, like I just counted this one. This is one square. This is two square. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right? So how many squares covered in this area?
20.
20 square unit I can write. Square unit,
Yep.
right?
But
Or
I
I can
got 19.
I can write unit square as well. No problem.
Yep.
Yes. So then I can say the area of this is actually 20 square unit. This is the basic concept. I know formula will be used in further slides, but this is what basic concept is. Okay. So it's basically when we are talking about the area, it is the number of square unit. If we call it like 1 centimeter, where are you, Prisha? If we call it 1 centimeter, then the area would be what? 20 centimeters?
Centimeter square.
Yes. Did you get my point now?
But for area, I got 19.
You got 19? How?
5 plus 4 is 9, and then 9 times 2 is 18. Can I have a pen?
Yeah, wait a moment. Yeah.
So find to find the area for rectangle, it's 2 L.
Okay, you're right. Wait a moment. I did mistake here.
That's
This
one,
is
two,
the cover area.
three,
Mhm.
four,
Go
five.
ahead.
That's 5 times 1,
1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4. That's
4.
equals to 20.
1,
So
2,
in the
3,
middle
4,
part,
5.
this is 20, and then 20 times 2 is 40. So the answer should be 40.
Right.
Actually, no. It should be plus. So 5 plus 4 is 9, and 9 times 2 is 18.
Right. So 2 square is actually missing here. Wait a moment. Just give me a moment.
Yeah.
So let's erase this part and then we'll be working together here. Um, Wait, let me just erase it first. Yeah. Once again we see this. So you are finding it in this way. That is great. Lovely. What we have done here, we have counted in the same approach like you've done. So we may call it square one, square two, three, four. So four square this side, one, two, three, four, and five this side. Okay. So the same approach may be followed. So this is what length, right? Okay.
Yep.
And this is what
Breath.
breadth, right? Okay. So that is great because you already followed the formula that is L plus 2 multiplied by L plus W, right? So this
Yep.
is the basically area of perimeter, right? So this is 2 and then um 5 plus 4, that is 8, then 9 and multiplied by 2. So the right answer would be 18. Actually, your answer is correct. That time we were doing some mistakes here. So this would be 18 square unit or unit square.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so now we just came to know this is basically um 18 unit squared. Okay, so let's move further. Now we see this. Find the area of the figures. Now you may find here. So here we see how it is the area is already given 16 square units here. Can you observe that how it is 16 square units?
Can I find it?
Yeah.
So basically, how I would do it, since I know that 1 square is 1 centimeter, so this is 3. This is also 3. This is also 3. This is still 3. And this is 4. To find the area now, how
Wait,
to
Prisa, I just remembered something. This is actually what we found perimeter, not a square. So earlier answer was correct. Um, this is the formula of perimeter, right? This is not area. Did you remember now? This is what perimeter, not area.
oh
Did you remember it now?
no, I don't know the formula for area. So
That's the problem. That's why the mistake was being done. So earlier, when I just counted the square, that was correct. 20 answered. Now let me tell you the formula, then we'll be able to get the correct answer. Okay. So once again, just observe this image and let me help you with this. Now see it very closely, okay? so that you may not miss the concept. So what you told me, like this is let's say 4 unit, right? Okay, let me call it 4 meter. So this part is 4 meter. Is that true?
Yep.
Okay. So this would be equal to this 4 meter this side as well, right?
Yep. Yep.
Yes. And this is what? This side is 5 meter. So this would be also equal?
Yep.
Yes. Now if you find the perimeter, so what you told me, that was the formula of perimeter,
Yep.
right? So it would be 2L plus W,
Yeah.
right?
Yep.
So this is what you told me. But now if we are finding area, this is actually multiplication of both sides. So that is L into W. So now if we find, like, what is the area? 4 into 5
25,
meter.
20.
Yeah, and square meter square. 20 meter square. Now did you understand? Because the formula is W into L.
Yes. Okay.
What you told me was perimeter. So
Parameter.
yes, that was true in case of perimeter, but in case of area, 20 meter square is correct answer. Okay.
Yep.
So we could also find from basic, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
But I think in greater depth level,
Yeah.
I wouldn't have the squares inside. I would just have plain rectangle.
Yeah. You will have plain rectangle,
Without
but to
square.
understand, yes, yeah, but to understand that concept, we have to go from basic, so that we have to understand, like, how we have taken that formula.
Yes. So we understand it,
That
yeah.
Yes. So now this is again the concept based question, and now you need to tell me the how we found the answers, like how we found this 16. Can you guess how this 16 square units have been achieved? Not that way. And you're doing well, but this side half. Did you observe that?
I think I got it. So 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah.
6. Wait,
Hmm.
it was 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Yeah.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Yeah.
13, 14.
Hmm.
And then we can do 15, 16. Then so these two will make one square, so 15, and
Yeah.
these make one square, so 16.
Half and half. Two
Yeah.
halves is equal to one. Yeah, correct. So same you can find this, right? This is also easy then.
But how do I solve this if I didn't have the squares inside?
This is concept class, so this would be given, right? But in the case of not given, I'll be telling you, like, in coming slides how you are able to solve this. Okay.
Yeah.
So say in this with the same approach, you can find this as well, right? Just try. This will also work for reasoning.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27.
Correct. Okay, let's move further. I guess now you can find it easily. Okay. So we'll be able to find in more efficient way. Okay. No,
Yep.
don't hide it. This is concept. So area of a square. The area of a square is found by finding how many square units it takes to cover its surface. So that's what we have seen in the concept. How many square units covers the surface. And a square unit means what? 1 unit squared, right? Yeah. It can also be found by multiplying its side length and its length. So second thing, this was the concept, and second thing that came as formula, length into side, right?
I don't
Okay.
understand anything.
Like, okay, just earlier, this one. You hadn't seen this. This is length into
Yes, yes.
width. That's what I mean. Not
Mm-hmm.
length inside. Length into width, right? So
Mm-hmm.
length into width is actually the area. So same here. Um, if we see square, in a square, both length and width are equal. So that is side into side. Do you understand that?
Um,
Okay, let me just draw this. If this is a square 4, 4, 4, 4, right? Then
yep,
what would happen here? This length and width both are equal, right?
yep,
Length and width both are equal. So if we are writing like L into W,
yeah,
we can also say because L is equal to W, so we can write like L into L or W into W because both are equal. So we can say both sides are equal. So this is side into side, isn't it? Side into
yep.
side, right? So it can also be found by multiplying its side length by its side length.
So
Its
side by side.
yes, side by side. Multiplying a number by itself is also called squaring it, right? Squaring it. That's why multiplying a number by itself. That's 4. If we call it 4 multiplied by 4, it is called fourth square, right?
Yeah.
This is the reason we call it 4 squared because this follows the concept of this square. So the formula for the area of a square is called area is equal to side into side, right? Same number. Great. Okay.
Yep. Okay, I understand.
So now this is the square, like side into side. Now we are moving with the concept. I hope you got this point. Shall we move further?
Yeah, but can I just like tell you why I understood in this?
Yeah, yes, tell me.
So if this is 4, then you know that this will be 4, and if this is 4, you know that this will be 4. If this is 7, you know this will be 7. If this is 7, you know this will be 7. If this is 5, you know this will be 5. If this is 5, you know this will be 5. If this is 9, you know this will be 9. If this is 9, you know that this is 9. So you get 81 then.
Yeah, 9 multiplied by 9 is equal to
Yeah.
81. Yeah. Now area of rectangle. So that's what we earlier have seen, right?
Yeah.
Length into width, correct? The area of rectangle is found by finding how many square units it takes to cover its surface. It can also be found by multiplying its length by its width. So the formula for the area of rectangle is L into W, length into width. You may take a screenshot of that too, right?
Yeah, yeah, I know this. Yeah.
Now you may explain that how we found the answers.
So the answer, so how to get the rectangle of area is it's the length into breadth, which is 6 and 4, which is 24. 11 times 7 is 77 because you have to do the length times breadth. So length times breadth, 16 times 3 is 48. 7 times 20 is 140. And that's the answer.
True, true. Now check for understanding. Find the perimeter and area of the figure. Let us check the understanding. The perimeter is the distance, all, right?
Yeah.
Distance, all it is covered from the boundary, the way around a figure, right? Way around the
Mm-hmm.
figure or boundary.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is 6 plus 8, 14, and 14 plus 14 is equal to 28. Okay. So The area is the number of square units it takes to cover its a surface. That's what have been understood by you, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what we have done. Now I'm just going with another slide that will take you in advance of the same concept. So let me just jump to another slide. Wait a moment. Yes. Okay. So we are now here with something in more specific way since we have understood the basics. So perimeter, area, and volume. So perimeter you've already understood, but now something different and like not different but more specific into it. So to find the perimeter of a shape, we add together the length of all sides. That's what we have understood.
Yes.
What is the perimeter of this shape? This is not rectangle, this is not square, but this is something else.
So so this is easy because I so what I would do in this is 3 plus 3 I know is 6. 2 plus 1 I know is 3. And 1 plus 3 and 1 2 plus 1 is 3 I know, and 3 plus 3 is 6 I know, so 6 plus 6 is 12. Or I could have just done 3 times 3 times like 3, so 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3.
Yeah. Okay. Perimeter of rectangle we understood so far, and the formula came in this way. That was the concept earlier we discussed as well, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So using L for length and W for width, perimeter of rectangle is 2L plus 2W, and we also understood earlier that 2 can be taken as common, and then this will become 2 multiplied with the sum of length and width, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we move to next. Yes, this is something which is not a rectangle, which is not a square. So that's what we understood in our earlier example. I hope it makes sense to you.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, next, sometimes we are not given the length of all the sites, and we have to work them out from the information we are given. Can you
Yep.
tell me that how this question has been calculated?
So can you go on the back slide? Because that was where the question was.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. So sometimes we're not giving the length of the oval side. You have to work out on using okay, what is the parameter of the shape? The length of 2 of sides are not given. Okay. So you have to understand what A equals and what B equals. Okay. So A is this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So B equals to 5 and A equals to 7.
How?
So first I took this 9 and I took it away from 4, meaning this much, which is 5. That means that this part,
True. Okay. What is the perimeter now?
what is the perimeter? Okay, 1 second. Um, 42. 42 centimeters.
True.
Yay.
So that's how we found. That is the way you just the same approach has been followed in this concept. Okay. So same would be done in this, right? Calculate the length of the missing sides to find the perimeter. You can take a screenshot, I guess, like you can easily understand this, right? Take
Yep.
take the screenshot, and then
Yep.
shall we move further?
Shouldn't I do this or not?
Okay, because it's already done, but you may
Yeah,
explain.
actually. Yeah.
Yeah.
We
Do you
can
want
we
we can
can
move?
move on.
Okay. What is the parameter of this shape? So this is also easy. I guess you've understood already, right?
What are these lines?
Okay, let me make you understand. So 4 centimeter means this one line. 5 centimeter means this two line. Now you got my point?
Is that right?
Yeah, correct. So now we will add all of these sides and then we'll find the parameter.
So it just an easy way to do it is 4, 4, and 4.
Hmm. 4
4
times
times
4
4 is 16.
and
5
then
times
10.
5 plus 5 is 10. And
Hmm.
10 plus
16,
yeah,
26.
yeah.
Great. Good approach. Same would be followed here, right?
Yep.
Okay.
So the
Yeah.
answers are given actually, yeah.
Yeah.
Take screenshot. Done.
Okay. Same would be followed here. You can take a screenshot. These are easy questions. Okay.
How is the CD?
Why? We need to find only the parameter. Just add all of the sides and this will be found.
Yeah, but don't we need to find these?
We need not to find these because it is given in the question.
Oh, okay. Then that's easier.
This is kind of related to reasoning, non-verbal reasoning.
Which shape has a different parameter?
Answers are given for understanding. You can take a screenshot, may work on it. If you find out, then you
But
may ask.
how? I don't understand this.
Okay. The answer is given already. Look. Um, these are the blocks. 1 unit, I would call it 1 square unit. Is that
Yeah,
true? So how many blocks may be fit in this?
4.
Guess like this. One, three this side, and then one, two, three, four, five this side. Is that
Yeah,
true?
yeah,
Yes. So we may call like three, and this side five, five.
yeah, yeah.
But
So
we
5
need
times 3 is 15.
no, 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 no. We need not to find area. We need to find perimeter only.
Oh, so that means
Five this side and three
30.
this side.
No,
Three,
no,
three.
20,
Yeah.
16.
Why are you moving in so hurry? This is five. Okay.
Yep.
This is three. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, 5 plus
That
3 is 8. 5 plus
mm,
3 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16.
yeah, yeah, 16. So we found like 16 meter, let's say. 16 meter is the perimeter. Now let's find about this. Um, it is called like firstly look at the question. Which shape has a different perimeter? Okay. So we may go with different. I
I
would
think I kind of understand, yeah.
you understood this?
Like, yeah, but you just have to count them, all of them, and then find the answer.
Yes, yes. So you may work in homework perhaps.
Hmm. But the
Okay, take
answer is different.
sorry.
Maybe you can give me a different worksheet because the answers are given.
No, no, no. This is for observation. This is not the actual question, and question would not be like this. Only concept class because you already know like questions are
Uh,
different, right?
yep,
Okay. Shall we move further?
yep.
So now second is area. Let's talk about it. The area of a shape is a measure of how much surface the shape takes up. We already understood in basic concepts, right?
Yes, yes.
For example, which of these rugs covers a large surface? Of course,
Um,
rug. Yeah,
okay, I don't even need to do that. 4 times 4 is 16.
yeah,
6 times 2 is 18.
yeah,
So, yes.
yes, true. Area is measured in square units. We already understood it.
Yes.
Okay, so length into width, we will move further. And then what is the area of this rectangle? We already understood it. Move further. Now understand this, please. Okay. So the proportion of this rectangle has been shaded, half shaded. The what is the shape of the shaded part? That is triangle, isn't it?
Yep. Yep.
So what is the area of this right angle triangle? Yes, in triangle, this is the right angle triangle. That is also true. So you may find it easily. 16. How did you find it?
So what I just had was 4 times 8, which is 32. That is the perimeter. No, the area for the whole thing. But then because there's only half that's shaded, I have to do 32 divided by 2, which will get me 16.
Yes. So that creates a formula. See,
Yeah.
what is the formula now here?
Um.
Area
Yeah.
of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to half into length.
Length plus width.
Yeah,
No, times width.
yes. But now we have to change this because in triangle we call it height. This is called height and this is
Base.
called base. So shall we call length as height and width as,
And base.
sorry,
Yes, yes, yes.
base. Yeah, width as height and length as base. H
This
into
is
B
easy though.
or 1 into 2. We can also write B into H, no problem, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is
So
really
this
easy.
formula you may, yeah, really easy, but formula you may remember. So area of triangle is half half into base into height
BH, yeah.
or half into height into base. True.
Uh-huh.
So would you forget the formula or would you remember? Right angle triangle.
Can you go the slide back?
Yeah.
If this question came up with half of it shaded, I might like I know what to do then, but I might forget the formula for the triangle. How are you supposed to
You,
remember them?
so make a complete rectangle if that is given. Try to make it rectangle. Observe in mind, right?
Mhm.
But this is something we must remember. Formulas are, makes our works easier. But this is the concept. If you forget the formula, you may drag the formula, creating or visualizing that image of rectangle
Yeah.
in a triangle, right angle triangle, right? Okay. So the same concept which I told earlier, we can use a formula to find the area of a right. This is right angle triangle. Remember that. This does not apply to kind of the triangles which is not right angled. Okay. So this is right angle triangle. So height into base and the half of it. So you may see like this is the formula. You may take a screenshot. Area of a triangle is half base into height. This is in the case of what? In the case of only right angle triangle. Got my point?
Yep.
Yes. Height into base or base into height. Both are okay.
Yeah.
Take a screenshot.
I did. Yeah. If this was 5 and this if
Yeah.
this was 5 and this was 8, the answer would have been 20.
Yeah. Right.
Okay.
Okay. Calculate the area of this right angle triangle.
Okay. So why is there 3 things? Which
One
two?
is unnecessary. One is unnecessary.
So the
You need
base
not
we
to use
need
that.
6. We need the base. And
Yeah.
then which one's the height? This or this?
You need to find it. Where is 90 degree? Can you see that? Yes, true. Yes, right.
So the answer will be 86. 8 and 60, 48. 48 divided by 2 is 24.
Yes. This was kind of little tricky because the unused, like the side is given
Not
with the length
necessary.
which is not being used, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Erase this all, this side. Let me erase.
Wait, what?
Wait.
This?
Yeah, all.
Why?
Okay, now I just want you to understand this and solve this. How would you find the area?
Okay. How would you find the?
Area of this shape.
I can't hear you. How would you find the area of the shape? Okay. Why is there A and B?
To help you, it can be subdivided into
Okay.
two.
Yes, I know how to do this. So, and then 145.
Yeah, great. 145 meter squared. Don't forget to write that unit into a
Yeah,
square.
yeah.
Okay, because then the answer would be incorrect if you're not writing that.
Yep.
Okay, great. Wonderful. I hope you understood the approach, right?
Yep.
Now, your question was that time that how would you solve the questions like this? So something if the comes along with triangle or what, that would also be solved. So here, this we can think of this shape as being made up of one rectangle with another rectangle cut out of it. So something cut out of it. P part you see, like label the rectangle A and B. So we have seen B is cut out of it. So we found the complete area and then B
Okay.
has been reduced, right?
I know what to do.
Just understand that and we'll move further. You have understood this concept?
Yeah.
Let's move forward. You may erase this to understand. Yes, erase this. This is interesting. Erase all. Yes, go ahead. How would you find this
Okay.
area of this?
So, area. Okay. This is impossible.
No, not really. Now see how it has worked. Observe this solution and I want you to explain it without my help. The solution is given in front of you. Observe and just try to understand what is happening. No?
No.
Okay, let me help you. area of A. Now listen to me. So we can see a triangle into it. Just see, this is a triangle, isn't it? Is this a triangle?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, is this a triangle? Another triangle? Is this a triangle?
Yep.
Okay, so let's call this A and let's call this B. Okay,
This is also a triangle, and this.
this is, and this is also a triangle. Let's call it C and let's call it D. And this is a square.
Yeah, that's different.
Let's call it E. Yes. Now try to observe this. Okay, if you have understood this, then try to observe and that tell me that what is happening here. I guess now you can get this.
Where did you get the 2 and 3 from?
Okay. So
Wait, okay,
C.
let me like join these. No, 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 no. I don't understand.
This works on a formula. What is the formula of right angle triangle? Can you tell me once again? Half into base into height, right? Base into height. Firstly base, so that it must not be confused. Firstly base, right? First base, right? BH, base into height. Now see. So this side we are able to see the distance. How many units are here? 2 units. The base is 2 unit in triangle A. Can you see that?
What do you mean?
Base is base is 2 unit in triangle A. Are you able to observe this? No?
No.
This 2 unit, 1 unit, 1, and then 2.
Can you change the color because I like it's kind of like blurry and I can't see it.
Okay. Okay. So see this. Can you see it now?
Yes.
1, this is 1 unit, and this is
Mhm.
2. So isn't it 2? Base is 2. Can you can you observe it now?
Yes.
1 and then 1, 2. Correct. And what about this? 1, 2, 3. We need to get the length of this, the height. Height is 3. 3 unit. Is that true?
Oh.
Now did you understand?
Yeah.
So can you explain B and triangle
So
B? Yeah,
1, 2, 3, 4.
yeah,
So the height is 4,
yeah.
and the B for the base is 1, 2. That means the base is 3. What? Yeah, the base is 3. So 3 times 4 is 12, and 1 by 2 of it is 6.
Triangle B.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, correct. And the base is how much base you told
Actually,
me?
it's wrong. It's wrong. 1,
Base.
2, 3, 4. 4 times 1, 2. 1, 2. 2 equals to 8. It should be 4.
Yeah, correct. Now C.
Actually,
Triangle C.
wait, I'm confused. There's 1 dot here, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4 dot, 5 dot.
Why are you
It's
oh, why are you counting dots?
because you were doing that.
No, I did not count dots. You got confused. I'm counting the length. How would I find the length? This from here to here,
Oh,
one
okay.
unit. You got my point?
Yeah.
Yes. So C, base. Base in C, what is base? Prisha,
Understand what you're trying to say.
tell me the base of C, triangle C. What is the base in triangle C?
The base is 1.
Yes. And what is height?
3.
Correct. So half of 3 is actually 1.5 here. Got it?
Okay. Yes, I got it. Yep. Can I
And
do
then
D?
triangle.
Do D.
Yeah, 2D.
So the base is 1
Yeah,
and the height is 1, 2, 2. I mean, 2 times 1 is 2, and
yeah,
then half of 2 is 1.
yes. And this is only 1 unit. So that is 1 unit square.
Yeah.
Now we will total, we'll just add all of these and the answer would be this.
2
That's
plus 1,
what you understood. Yeah,
1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10.5. Yeah.
understood. Hmm.
How can we sort the area of this?
Try to observe
So
with
you,
this. Yeah,
you want the area of the whole thing.
yeah.
So why
How,
is
just see what question says. Read the question once again.
So how can we find the area of this irregular quadrilateral construction on a beta? What?
An alternative method would be to construct a rectangle that passes through each the vertex. Rectangle. The area of this rectangle is 4 into 5 is equal to 20 unit square, and the area of irregular quadrilateral is found by subtracting the area of each of these triangles. You did not understand the point. See here. Now you will be able to understand. Area A, area B, area C, area D.
Yeah.
Now can you find like how it is calculated area A
Yeah.
and then area B, how this is calculated? Can you find that?
Yes.
And area C also, right?
Yes.
And area D also, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then you may find sum of them. What would be the sum total?
9.5.
10, 11, 12, 16, 16 and 3, 19.
What?
Wait a moment. Like
Not
10, sorry. Total shaded area. Okay. 3, 4, 7, 7, 8, 9, 9.5. Correct. So
yes.
area of irregular quadrilateral is equal to 20 minus 9.5. So this is what we have found. Why we have called it 20? Can you guess? Because total area. You are unable to understand it? Okay.
I don't understand this part.
I got it. What is the total area of this big rectangle? Can you find that? Total
Area.
area. Yeah, this big rectangle, complete, full.
30.
Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How it is 30?
20.
This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So this is 4, right?
Yep.
Do not count this
Yeah, I
vertex.
can't the dots. Yeah.
That is the problem. So this is 20. That's why we have written 20. Now you got my point.
Oh.
So when you subtract this
Oh,
outer
so
part,
the whole thing is 20. And if we take these parts away, we're going to get this shape. And the
yes,
whole
this
thing is
area.
20. And these parts are in total, they're 9.5. So if we take them away from 20, we'll get our answer for the whole shape.
Yes. So this is called observation. We have
Yeah.
to understand that from what ways we are going to apply. Either direct way would be applied or not, because direct way was not possible in this. So we
Yeah.
just try to visualize, and with this we created this kind of rectangle in our visualization. Then we
Yeah.
found it, right?
Mhm.
Okay.
Can we stop now? I'm tired.
Yeah, okay. This is kind of concept class, that's why, and it is being heavier as well. Okay, no problem. We can stop. So what you will do in homework? Wait a moment.
Can you send it to my mom as well? Because sometimes I forget and then I can't.
Yeah, okay. On WhatsApp, I'll be sharing it. Okay.
Mhm.
Any doubt or any question you have?
No.
No? I have few questions, then you can go. Let me know. 2 multiplied with the sum of L plus B is what?
2 multiplied by the sum of L. It's the perimeter of rectangle.
Okay. What is L into B?
The area of rectangle.
True. How would you find the area of right angle triangle?
1 over, so 1/2 into height into base.
What is the area of a square?
What is the area of square? L into W.
That's true, but
Oh, of square. I did rectangle. Of square, it was side into side.
right. What is a perimeter of square?
Side into 4. The same thing, basically.
Right. Got it. Okay, we'll be doing further concepts in coming classes. I'll be sharing homework. You may go with that. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Take care.
Thank you. Bye.